a verdict. So we know this will not be a hung jury. So this is where we are right now. Jodi Arias is in the courtroom. She is waiting to hear the verdict of this jury. 8 women, 4 men. We are waiting earlier for the alternates to come into the courtroom. That was apparently the holdup, why we're running about a half hour late on all of this. The 2 alternate jurors needed to be there. The Alexander family, we understand, is there as well. There you take a look at pictures of Jodi Arias. Now, keep in mind, this is a familiar sight for people who have been following this trial. The first trial started way back in January of 2013. She was convicted of first-degree murder in May of 2013. But again, the first jury deadlocked on what the appropriate punishment should be. So,
Please be seated. The record will show the presence of the jury, the defendant, and all counsel. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I have received 2 juror questions from you. The first juror question, submitted late yesterday afternoon, states that we are not unanimous. Votes have been steady since last Thursday. Jurors have indicated minds are made up. Some have indicated we either let you know today or they want off this jury. In my assessment, we are hung and additional time will not change this. Submitted by the 4-person. This morning I received an additional juror question indicating the status is unchanged as of this morning. Is there anything from the 4-person to add at this time? Right at this time, the court is declaring a mistrial. Are we ready to proceed to sentencing?
Your Honor, Ms. Arias is requesting approximately 30 days. My understanding from our previous conversations is April 10th was available to the court. I just don't think we had a time indicated.
And April 10 will not work for the state. The next of kin have requested that the sentencing be set either on a Monday or a Tuesday.
All right. I will certainly accommodate that request. April 13th or April 14th? Mr. Martinez, do either of those work?
Either one will work for us. Let's go with April 13th.
Mr. Nermi, April 13th?
Your Honor.
April 13th, 8:30 a.m. for sentencing.
What time, Your Honor?
8:30. Ordered that a pre-sentence report be prepared. And I'm going to order the defendant held pursuant to Rule 7.2, which I believe she's already being held.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that Ms. Arias is either waiving her right to a pre-sentence interview and or requesting that counsel be present when said interview is taken. I'd like the minute entry to reflect that.
Well, which is it? Does she want a pre-sentence report or does she not?
My understanding is she's decided not to participate in said interview.
Ms. Arias, you have a right to have a pre-sentence report prepared. Your attorney is indicating you wish to waive that right. Is that correct?
yes.
We will so reflect. All right, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the parties, myself and my staff, I wish to thank you for your extraordinary service on this case. The admonition is lifted. You are free to talk about the case or not talk about it as you wish. I will be back shortly to personally thank you for your service. Thank you. You are excused.
All right.